Hello and welcome to a video. My trading. Yeah. For those juicy rares. That's just how you explain it. Juicy rares. My words for Rim HD. Jagged Deal. What is your list? Ow, ow, ow. That hurt. I would definitely say no to that if I had a Rim HD. I feel bad. Like, I would definitely say yes if those were black longs. Actually, 2 black longs. And like 5 black wristbands. I don't care if they're long or short. Just at least 2 of them have to be. Trade me beta. I don't want to trade you betas. Who wants? Oh, I was playing this game in 2003. I love that. That year was like my first year playing. And I was like, I'm gonna be so right now. I'm like, no. You can't be, because you're not amazing. I bet I'm not gonna get any traits. Even though I have spikes on trade. Turbine. There. Eating. Cammy the Frog. No. I'm sorry. I feel mean. I feel mean for declining. Not the fact that they're not a member, just because, like, they're actually trying hard. Stop! That's not even nice. You're trading me when I don't. Trade me bad recording. I feel rude. Because I'm dying. And I'll accept. I burped. Yikes. I would do that if it was a pink wrist. I mean, a pink. Not a pink one. No, what am I thinking? Purple one. I'm so stupid with my vocabulary. I'm just standing here in Jamal Township trying to get people to train, but they're all so rude. And I'm just looking for you through YouTube. About to change my channel to something way much better. Because, this is like my first video, so. And I have 6 subscribers already. So, it's gonna be my username, Victor Bird AJ. Says Victor Bird AJ. So, I just made retake. I'm somewhere in there. I gotta make I have to legitly not, like, people are covering me, which bothers me. You know, how much beta's for the shoe item? Oh god, no, stop! Stop! So I just changed the name of the YouTube channel. Because I draw and all that, so. Trade me fair. So no one, like, believes most people when they say this. Oh, I'm sorry, I can't right now. I can't. Go away. I'm just like, I can't go away. So nice of me. Hopefully my channel name is changed. Oh god, let's just get some trades. I got some trades in the beginning. Usually surprised of all the trades I have that are actually not that bad. And I'm actually an artist. So unwanted on trade. Please. Oh, very much. Oh my god, please just accept anyone. Please. No, not accept. Just send me a trade. Or should I trade attempt? Ooh. I'd rather send trades to people. I don't want your list. Get out of here. No. Stop yelling. No. I want this to be a trading video channel. And oh, this is a cute sweater. It is really cute. I just have one of those already. I don't want more than one item. Now I feel the pain of people. Like, when I trade, I get so mad when someone declines because I'm like, I have all those items. I'm like, you're still getting profit. You're still gaining rares. You're still gaining your rare. You're still getting a boost in the rare system. I'm brothers Apari. You're not Apari's brother. Like, jeez. Okay. Okay, well then, I'm just gonna say, I'm not subscribed to Apari, cause, ew. Cause, ew. Okay. I grow, my channel gets a little bit big, and he watches it, and he's like, I'm offended. I'm like, you better be. Oh, 2 hours ago, Apari posted. I just looked at his channel. And he still talks to Scorn. The funniest Animal Jam prank call. Dislike the video. Dislike. I'm sorry for all the. I used to love his intro.
Hey everyone, it's Apari here, and welcome back to another brand new Animal Jam video.
Yeah,
Today, guys,
yeah, we get it.
Me and Scorn pulling off a pretty funny prank call, I'd say. So if you like prank calling and you like Stanley Steamer prank calls, then this is.
No, why do you like Scorn?
I'm just going to be doing a mail time in the background.
Fuck
Prank calls go, and here it is.
Scorn.
Why, hello, Stephanie. My name is Daryl Johnson, and I'd like to make a appointment for Stanley Steamer.
What are you doing with your voice there? 14 Strolls hat for what? Jag me. Oh my god, my spike. I want 14 on that. I used to have a straw hat, but then I recycled it. And I was a non-member. I'm like, eee! They're so rare now. A trade! Oh my god, I get excited over a trade. And it's not even good. My spike collar? Question mark? Maybe. You never know. You never know. I'd actually love this AS. Oh snap. Okay, no one wants to trade me. I'm here. I have rares, I promise you. I'm not just trying to scam a lamb. Are you actually trading me? Is she actually? I thought she was about to trade me. I forgot that only shows up on the phone version. Ugh! Kill me now. I'm dying. Please send help. Ow! I hate you, chair. I'm sorry. I can't sit still, so I just move the chair. If I said a long collar, she'd be like, yeah, let's go. Look, if she replied, she's like, no thank you, sorry, screw you. I hate people. This trading business is hard. I hate older people. They think they're too good for me. I'm better than you, boy. I'm so rude, but it's true. And by the way, I will soon be doing a new jammer challenge, which I actually try to trade fair. I give some rares to my this new jammer account, and I try to make my way up to a headdress, which I would take a year, and I actually won't do like those other YouTubers. They quit at their 5th episode because they get it because they reveal the name. Like, you don't reveal the name. I would just cut it out somehow with the editing skills of life. Please, someone, anyone. I'm actually not bad. Please. I actually have good stuff. Trade me on to me. Okay, I actually think this dude. Your art that you have in your trade you don't want. Oh wow, I actually hate the other ones, but this one? Now, no one's allowed to judge my art skills. My art skills. And actually, I believe I should do this thing. Okay, I got this. I'm not gonna trade no spike. That's how I got this, because someone traded my art. Now my art, like, some of it I traded, but I traded it all away for like good items, and then I give them away to like spare accounts I have. Yeah, my spare accounts. None of you. I'm joking. If I get like really, really rare, I want to give them away. These are just masterpieces I trade away. And load, please load. They're just like, they're beautiful. Don't zoom in on it. No, get out of here. They're the Easter edition. The crap ones. You said the art is unwanted, so you have to. Look, you have to. No exceptions. Exceptions. You have to accept. This makes me depressed. Trade me 4 good long wrists or 2 short collars. For what? Oh, hell no! You don't. Oh, wow. Oh, wow! He did it! He did it! This is his artwork! The eye! I can't get over that eyeball. I know this dude! I know this dude! I believe this is the dude that made the. I'm sorry. I believe this is the dude that made the leaf petal with the raindrop on it. Oh my god. Oh my god. I got chills. Oh, I don't know why I got chills, but I got chills. Whew. 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 I'm just in the back, I'm like, whew. Whew. I'm just looking at random people's trades list. Trades. I have very bad speech problem. Because I don't know how to speak like a dog. But anyways, that's it for today's video. Because no one wants to trade me because they're very rude. So rude. But that's fine. See you maybe next time. I don't know. Maybe. If you're lucky enough.